my beautiful people. So welcome again to my channel and thanks for watching. So today I'm going to make some light soup. It's basically tomato soup with carrots and onions. It's similar base as you would use for a stew. In our pot we've got 3 onions, white, 1 ginger, garlic, 2 carrots and scotch bonnet pepper. I'm just going to add my water to this, and this is just a boil. I'm just going to boil that until all the ingredients are softened, and then we're going to blend those with our tomato. Fish has gone in the oven to grill. I just want to show you that I slow cooked my beef. I'm using goat. Okay, so I've done this, and as you can see there's so much fat, so I'm just going to get rid of all the fat, and I'm just going to use the stock in there. Do is grab that fat that just escaped, take that out because we don't want that fat, and then I'm just gonna literally put in all the ingredients that I put in my to boil. This is all I'm doing. It's not complicated, there's nothing special about it, it's just straightforward. Stick it in the blender, get the tomatoes out. I've used the canned tomatoes because that's what I had. I thought I had some fresh ones, but I've ran out. I usually use fresh tomatoes, and normally in each can there's about 4 to 5. When I do the fresh ones I use 5 tomatoes because they're regular sized tomatoes. Ingredients are all gone, and now all I have there is the water. That's it. Lid, and I've got some turkey meat that I'm going to put in there. And I'm just going to use a small bit of it because I don't need a lot for my soup. Just want to show you that our fish is also cooking lovely. I'm just gonna, I'm happy with the seasoning. I'm just gonna put in the water from the fish straight into our soup because I want the fish to grill quite dry, and it's not dry yet. So I'm just going to do this and then stick it back in the oven because we want the fish to dry out basically. Because it's soup, you don't want the fish to get lost in there if it's not dried out. My crab. This is fresh crabs. must add my butter to my soup, and it's done, ready to enjoy without fufu. My butter beans is just butter beans and water. That's about 240 grams of butter beans, and I'm just going to show you. I've just blended that smooth, and I'm just going to pour that in my soup. Soup is coming together beautiful, and this is the last stage. Just leave this to boil one last time, and I'm just going to add a bit of green peppers to that, and then I'm just going to leave that to. Just want to show you what we're looking like so far. Yep, we're good. Well, I'm gonna make some okra with this soup. I'll show you in a minute. I'm gonna split the soup in half and make some okra soup with this as well. Okay. Bandaba. Right, so as like I said, I'm going to use some of my soup to make some okra, and this is how I start my okra. I'm just going to use the leftover stock. There's a little bit of fat that I've seen on them. I'm just going to skim that off, not all of it. I've chopped my okra and I'm putting that in first. Now I'm going to put a bit of bicarbonate soda in. This is just an infusion of flavors. So we're just going to put in our onions. The soup is coming together.